Hi, I am Java, a software developer. Today I am here to recap and summarize the Streamlit text elements. The Streamlit provides the 10 different functions to render the text on the web, which are explained here by comparing the default font size with basic HTML elements. As you can see, the st.title is equivalent to h1 tag in HTML. Similarly, different font sizes are shown. To display the emojis and markdown languages, we use st.markdown and st.write in Streamlit. In case of displaying the mathematical formulas and expressions, we use st.latex. This st.latex is very useful in case of creating the research articles and others. Also, we use st.code to display code on web, which easy to copy and paste for reuse purpose. Finally, the Streamlit sidebars are useful for menu and navigations purpose to the different pages. So this is the summary of the session 2. Thank you, and please post your suggestions in the comment box. Watch full video on YouTube.